India is finally on the brink of launching its first ever high-speed rail project, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train, a symbol of progress reserved for countries like Japan, France or China. And this isn't just a story about speed, it's about ambition, global partnerships and a powerful transformation in how India moves. Right now, as we speak, something extraordinary is happening in Japan. Two Shinkansen trains, the cutting-edge E5 and E3 series, are undergoing intensive trials specifically designed for Indian conditions. These aren't ordinary test runs. Japanese engineers are pushing these machines through scenarios that replicate India's scorching heat, dust storms and challenging terrain. Each test, each data point collected brings us closer to the moment when these technological marvels will race across Indian soil. The Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor, stretching across 508 kilometers of Indian terrain, represents more than just faster trains. When completed, this engineering marvel will slash travel time between India's financial capital Mumbai and Gujarat's commercial hub Ahmedabad for over 6 grueling hours to a swift 2 hours, fundamentally reimagining connectivity between the two of our most economically vital Indian cities. The scale of this transformation becomes evident when you consider the technical specifications. These aren't ordinary trains we are talking about. The bullet trains will traverse 348 kilometers through Gujarat and 156 kilometers through Maharashtra, with 63% of the route elevated on embankments, 28% on stilts, and sections running underground and over bridges. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision, engineering that accounts for India's unique geographical and climatic challenges. The Surat-Bilimora section, a 48-kilometer stretch in Gujarat, has been chosen as the testing ground where India's bullet train dreams will first become tangible reality. By August 2026, trial runs are scheduled to begin on this route, marking the first time a Shinkansen will operate on Indian tracks. The foundation for this moment was laid through the 2016 Indo-Japanese agreement, formalized when Prime Minister Modi met with the then Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. This wasn't just a diplomatic handshake, but a strategic partnership that brought Japanese bullet train technology to Indian soil while ensuring that 80% of the project's financing comes through low-interest yen loans, making this massive undertaking economically viable for India. What's fascinating is how this project aligns perfectly with India's Make in India initiative. BEML is directly working on producing train sets capable of 280 kilometers per hour domestically, and by the early 2030s, India plans to introduce even more advanced E10 series Shinkansen capable of reaching speeds up to 400 kilometers per hour. This progression from technology import to domestic manufacturing represents the kind of strategic thinking that transforms nations. When business leaders can commute between Mumbai and Ahmedabad in 2 hours instead of 6, it does not just save time, it creates new possibilities for collaboration, investment and growth. Currently, India operates semi-high-speed trains like the Vande Bharat, which reaches speeds up to 180 kilometers per hour. The jump to 320 kilometers per hour represents a quantum leap that places India in the same league as countries with the world's most advanced rail networks. This isn't just about catching up, it's about positioning India as a global leader in modern transportation infrastructure. The timeline ahead is both ambitious and achievable. Trial runs are scheduled to begin by August 2026, with the gifted Shinkansen trains serving as the proving ground for technology that will soon become routine across Indian railways. Indian engineers are being trained alongside this process, ensuring that we are not just importing machines, but building expertise that will sustain and expand this revolution.